Good afternoon, Dodson.
Good afternoon, Miss CJ.
Are you going to help us out with homework tonight? Step on over to the board. You're going to want to grab a marker. All right, Dodson. This evening when we're doing homework, we're going to extend our stretch, our segment activity. So I'm going to have you stretch it for us first. Are you ready? Our first word is mad. Now you can bubblegum chew and stretch, or you can turtle talk, because you know how to do that as well.
But I already know how to spell.
I know you do, but can you do this for my boys and girls at home that are learning? All right, are we ready? Are you going to bubblegum spell? All right, pop it in. One more time. Let's slow it down. I'll do it with you. Here we go. Mad. Make sure we hear that ending sound. This time, Dodson, I'm going to ask you to write on the board what you hear, okay? Let's start with our beginning sound. What do you hear first, Dodson? Come back to me. That sound. What sound do you hear? What sound do you hear? Can you spell that sound for me? Good. What's the medial sound that you hear? Can you tell me the sound? I can't hear you? Ah. And I see you've already spelled that sound. What's the final sound that you hear, Dodson? Can you spell that sound for me? All right, Dodson. Let's look at that final sound that you spelled. Let's look at it again. Look at it with your eyes. What sound does that letter make?
I did a lowercase.
Let's look at it. Trace it with your finger if you need to. I believe that symbol says B. It's tricky for us sometimes, so we're going to flip that letter around. Can you erase that? And let's flip it. Oh, can you write it a little harder? All right, let's go back. Can you put your finger under each letter so we can stretch that sound again? Add. Mad. Awesome. Parents at home, when your scholars are making basic mistakes, help them work through them very quickly, and then we can move on. But that is the terminology that we'll use after they stretch. Can you spell that sound for me? Tonight, you're going to work on the word mad, and you're going to work on the word man. And let's see how you do. You can record on something like this and send pictures or videos to us, or you can just send the paperwork back in. Thanks.